welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make neem powder at home. This neem powder is very good for your skin and hair. This treats wrinkles, reduces scars, heals wounds and treats acne. Very easy to make at home, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken some fresh neem leaves. Separate the leaves from the stem. Then chop them roughly and keep it ready. Transfer the chopped leaves to an eversilver plate. Spread it well with your hands. Sun dry the leaves for 24 hours. It's been a day and the leaves are completely dry by now. You can easily crumble them with your fingers. If you want fine powder, then you can use a mixer jar. Now our homemade neem powder is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use this for 6 months time. Very useful and healthy neem powder recipe. So do try this neem powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.